All right, those of you at home, sorry, I forgot to start the video. So we were doing the word in first. Number 6, we're writing the word at. At. So if you want to pause the video and give it a try, we're checking it right now. At. All right, what sound did you hear at the end of the word? Okay. At. What sound did you hear at the end? No, what sound was at the end? What letter goes with T for Tyra Tiger? If you did A-T, you wrote the word at. At. Not a P. Ah. It's an A. We only did at. Now this next word, number 7, it has 3 sounds in it. 3 sounds. Say nap. Nap. Let's tap it. Ready? Go. Say nap. Tap it. Ah. Nap. Tap it again. Go. Ah. What was the first sound you heard? Write that letter that goes with All right, let's tap it and see what the next sound is. We did the first sound. Ah. Write the letter that goes with ah. All right, let's finish that one. You ready? We've done the beginning. Ah. What letter? You need to write it. All right, let's check. What was the first sound you heard? What letter? N for Nina Newt. Then we heard in the middle was for who? Alligator. A. And our last sound we wrote was, look at your sounds. What was the last sound? What sound? And who's our character? Pearl the porcupine. And what word did we make? Hello? What was the word we made? What is it? Nap. Like I like to take a nap. Last word, number 8. All right, you ready? Say the word pan. Pan. Ready? Let's say it on our arm now. Pan. Pan. Tap it. Pan. What was the first sound? Write it. All right, let's look at the next sound, the middle sound. We've got Write it. Okay, let's finish out the word. What word are we writing? Pan. We've got what's the ending? Write it. All right. We're not checking that one. I'll check it when I pick it up, okay?